Finally found one fuel station. Yeah, find one fuel station. So I just stopped for a couple of stations, but they said they won't accept any other payments except cash. So I have to search for the New Holland. Seems like it's from the stimulator, Farm Stimulator 16 or 15 I played. I have not seen in real life, man. Alright. అడుగు ఒకసారి కార్డు ఉందేమో ఫుల్ ట్యాంక్ కొట్టు ఫుల్ ట్యాంక్ You can see the petrol getting evaporated. పైన అది ఉంది కదా పై వరకు కొట్టేసాయి దాని పైకి కొట్టు
John. బాగున్నావా డామ్ తెచ్చినావు ఇట్లా బాగా పని చేస్తున్నావు ఇలా ఈ పని పట్టలే ఎవరు జాతి
అర్థం కాలేదు కెమెరా for 10 liters. కెమెరా అవును యూట్యూబ్లో ఛానల్ ఉంది దాని గురించి I think I need a quick break for like 2 minutes. Yeah. Just taking a quick break for 2 minutes because my bum hurts so much. I don't know because it's been long time sitting on the bike for a long time. Yeah, I'm not riding the bike these days because of work from home. Yeah, everything is getting affected. I'm not traveling, I'm not going anywhere. Everything is on online delivery. So nothing to worry about. So I'm just sitting in home, just going for a walk once in a week or once, twice in a week. Getting too lazy these days. So people are looking strange at me, looking at my gear. Obviously, so we just made a good milestone so far, but I am worried about the mileage of my bike because I don't know. I just did almost like it would just come around. I don't know, maybe 150 or something, 150 kilometers or something more. Sorry, 50 kilometers, I think, 50 or 60 more. But previously it was supposed to make like 400 for full tank, but now it's almost giving me 350 or 320 something. Maybe the speed, cruising speed, I have to maintain a proper speed because I'm just going up and down. Maybe one of the reason that is where maybe the mileage is getting dropped off. Anyways, let's keep continuing.